The LL extension identifies an LLVM Intermediate Representation file containing human-readable LLVM IR code for compiler toolchain analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these compiler intermediate representation files. If you frequently deal with unusual LL file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. LL files contain LLVM Intermediate Representation in human-readable text format. They are produced by LLVM-based compiler frontends like Clang and represent a platform-independent intermediate code, staged between source code and final machine code generation. LLVM LL files use a static single assignment form with typed virtual registers and explicit control flow. They are generated with the emit-llvm compiler flag and can be compiled to native code using the LLC backend. The format is fully documented in LLVM's language reference. This proprietary format is best opened by LLVM compiler infrastructure from LLVM developer group for the LL type. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows shows the script's text, yet running it properly requires the correct interpreter. We need to force an application link. Right-click your LL file, then click Open With. Prioritize LLVM compiler infrastructure if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. If your LL file is not opening yet, that is normal. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, viewing LL files. Open LL files in any text editor or IDE with LLVM IR syntax, highlighting such as VS Code with the LLVM IR extension. Review the generated IR to understand how the compiler optimizes your source code or diagnose unexpected code generation behavior. Next, compiling LL files. Use the LLVM LLC tool to compile LL files to architecture-specific assembly or object code. Run LLC input L, O output, yes for assembly output. Use LLVMs to convert the text IR to binary LLVM bitcode BC format for further processing. Finally, debugging IR issues. Compare IR output before and after optimization passes using Clang with O0 and O2 flags. Use the opt tool to apply individual LLVM optimization passes to an LL file and observe IR transformations. This is valuable for compiler development and optimization research. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.